I want to show you my favorite rig. I'm someone who likes the simplicity when you go fishing. To be honest with you, I think that the rig doesn't have a so big... it's not so important. It's important for sure, you need something efficient. But to spend hours and days to think how it could catch the fish, or I think you waste your time there. The most important is to know how to bait. When you know how to bait, you know how to give confidence to the fish. If the fish eat with confidence your bait, you can put whatever rig you want, it will swallow it, no care. Because, how can I explain to you? Yeah, the most important is really that, is to be able to educate the fish to eat your baits. Then when he comes, slowly and slowly and slowly and slowly, he will start to be comfortable, because you don't really know your bodies and this kind of stuff. That's why really often the fish come, touch your bodies, don't keep it, because it's not its main food. But if you find a way to teach him how to eat mostly that, at the end he comes without any fears to eat absolutely everything. So when he eats everything, you even could put a piece of metal instead of a ring, he will take it too, doesn't change nothing. Here are all the ingredients I will use to build my rig. As you can see here, I will use a braid, Basilis Combi Link. Then I will use a hook, number 2, from Mustad, a Continental Strong. Then a couple of tubes in, how can I say, in rubber, and then a rolling. As you can see, it's extremely easy. There is nothing fancy. It's just a piece of bread and a hook. Nothing from another planet. Let's see the detail together. I will take my bread here and create a small knot. As this. I tighten it, right? And then I will tighten it a little bit more. Easy. That's it. I will cut the small piece of bread which is here. Not too close, because when I will put my baits later, I don't want the knot to slide and that to open, you know. Then I will take a piece like I will say one foot maybe, like this. So you see, it's very easy. I pass here first, right? I decide how long I want to do the hair. Here, as I told you, I would use a snowman. So a snowman will be one pop-up, one heavy body. As the pop-up is in 16 mm and the body is in 20 mm, that should be perfect. Then from here I turn 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I pass by the same place here and I tighten it. Pretty easy. Then I will put the small piece of rubber here and I will slide to cover my knot, to protect it, like this, and to make sure that my hair is aligned. See? Then, pretty easy. I will put another piece of rubber here, and I will use it later to cover the knot for the rolling. I take the rolling, I pass here, I decide the final size of my rig, which will be, I like to take this space, in centimeters will be 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters, it's something like 7 inches, something like that, I would say, right? And I will make my knot. We call it an 8 knot, because you pass once, you goes behind here, and you go back inside here. Then from there, up, you tighten your knot here. Very good, that's it. Here I will cut here. I will use the piece of rubber which is here to cover this knot. So up, you see? And now I will cover the knot. Tack. And that's it. My rig is ready. Efficient, easy. As you can see, it took me 2 minutes to do it. And believe me, if you bait properly, it will catch every fish. You will have the smart idea to touch your bodies. Awesome.